Hi, I'm JMO from Xcase in the UK, www.xcase.co.uk. Please take a look at our website. And better still, join our Facebook. So, recently we started to introduce Seasonic power supplies as an option to go with cases that are bought from a company. Seasonic are very well known. They make power supplies for pretty much everybody. Most of the other brands that you think you know are brands are made by Seasonic. So, Seasonic do retail products. You'll see them in all the e-stores, etc. But they also do OEM products, which we can fit into the case that you purchase. And we're opting for these because basically they're not as pretty, but they're a lot cheaper and better value. So, first things first, this model's the SS750HT. There's also an 850HT that we do. And putting it bluntly, these things are workhorses. They really, ooze out power. They're really quiet. This one's actually on. I can't hear it, can you? Internally, you'll probably be able to see it's got massive heat sinks to keep things cool. Said it's a standard looking item. It's not pretty in any way, but it does have braided cables and very long cables. Now, long cables are brilliant if you've got bigger cases or rack mount cases especially, which we sell a lot of. And there's nothing more frustrating than getting a power supply and then finding it doesn't quite reach your hard drive or motherboard, etc. These are also packed full of SATAs and Molex connections. You've got 6 Molex connections. I keep losing count, but I believe it's 5 or 6 SATA connections. More importantly, it's got a 8-pin EPS connection and another 2 4-pin, which obviously fit together. So if you've got a dual socket Xeon motherboard or one that requires 2 8-pins, then this works perfectly. I've tried these in our 24 and 36 bay hot swap servers, packed full of hard drives and RAID cards, LAN cards, and they run perfectly. And they run perfectly without spending a fortune on a power supply. And again, if you're looking to make yourself a low noise server, and some of the industrial type ones are very noisy, whereas this would be perfect. So any of our 4U cases this will fit into, no problem. As I said, they do a 750 watt and an 850 watt. To be honest with you, I've tried both and they both seem to run just about everything. But if you're at all worried, I guess, and you have got a lot of hard drives, look at the 850. It does have 2 PCI Express connections, which are the 6-pin type, and it also has one which is the 6+2 for the more modern video cards. So there you go, the Seasonic range of power supplies. SS 850 and 750 HT. You can get more specs at seasonic.com, and very much recommended to go in our cases. Thanks for listening.